SP Tools 369-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Tech Series roller cabinet. Tech Series is SP Tools' premium mid-size storage system. It features our unique dog bone style steel construction with 25% thicker steel. This ensures the structural integrity of the box throughout its lifetime. The Tech Wide Series roller cabinet is 1145mm wide and 480mm in depth. It features a combination of 13 drawers. It has an extra wide top drawer, 937mm, and a combination of 570mm wide and 313mm wide drawers below. The roller cab features a stainless steel worktop which incorporates twin fibre reinforced polymer tool holders at each end. The drawers are equipped with soft closing full extension ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair, and on larger drawers with dual slides this increases to 80 kilograms. The side of the box is equipped with recessed handles, and a further range of storage is available in the sides for holding aerosol cans, paper towels and even a waste paper bin. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy duty castors, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The corners of the roller cabinet feature bump protection corner strips to help maintain the high quality, dual layer, UV resistant powder coat finish. The tools. SP Tools 85-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4-14 and 13/16 to half inch, 3/8 drive metric SAE sockets 8-19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, half inch drive metric and SAE sockets 13-32mm and half inch to 1.25 inch, 3/8 drive spark plug sockets 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and half inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and half inch drive soft grip breaker bars, and a range of quarter 3/8 and half inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 40-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes 2 inserts holding quad drive combination spanners 6-32mm and quarter to 1.25 inch. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillips head screwdrivers and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. SP Tools 13-piece impact screwdriver set, including Phillips, slotted and hex bits. SP Tools chrome alloy plier and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination pliers with dual texture grips. A 250mm 3-rivet heavy-duty locking plier that features chrome alloy steel jaws, 2 50mm heavy-duty multi-grip pliers made from chrome alloy steel, and 150 and 250mm adjustable wrenches made from chrome alloy steel. 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel, 1 75mm straight and bent internal circlip pliers, 1 75mm straight and bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key sets, 2 sets 9-piece metric hex keys 1.5 to 10mm in both long and stubby, 2 sets 9-piece SAE hex keys 1/16 to 3/8 inch in long and stubby series, 2 sets of 9-piece Torx keys T10 to T50 in long and stubby series, 10-piece chrome molly punch and chisel set with 3 chisels and pin punches sizes 2 to 10mm, 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammers with genuine hickory handles from a certified FSC timber source, 40mm dual soft and hard tipped hammer with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function, 102-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet, metric 1.5 to 9mm, SAE hex 1/16 1/4, Torx T7 T45, Torx Tamper T7 to T40, Torx Plus T10 to T50, spline M5 to M8, Phillips long and short, Phillips in 1, 2 and 3, posi drives 1, 2 and 3, slotted 3 to 6.5mm, square drive 0 to 3 and spanner bits 6, 8 and 10mm. The kit also includes a 3 to 48 volt circuit tester with separate LED polarity display, a 10 amp DC digital multimeter, 8 meter retractable tape measure, SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, a 4-piece mini hook and pick set and a 4-piece tweezer set, 3-piece wire brush set with stainless, mild steel and brass bristles, 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set, a 5-piece screw extractor set, 50mm extendable mirror and a 1 kilogram extendable magnet pickup tool, 300mm professional quality hacksaw, and a 5-piece finger, ratchet and adapter set.